Got him. That was hard to see. I was gonna say, bro, about time. Good push. Good call. Word up, word up.
My spider senses are starting to tingle.
That's why I like having that on me.
Yeah. Where the...
Dude, that was weird. How did he get over here?
I know, right?
No, we're good. We're good. I didn't even mean to have it on full. Wait, who's that?
Big dog. Fuck, he's dead. He's dead. He's like dead so many times over. Right?
I think I hit him already, yeah. I don't think he's dead.
He's dead.
No, I think somebody just revived him.
Oh,
Sorry.
you need revived?
Hold on, big dog's up. This is when I wish I brought extra mags for my pistol. Okay.
It's almost looking around.
I know, I said that and I did it. Go for it.
Fuck, I shot the rough.
I just hit him in the face.
I told you he wasn't.
Back now. Oh, I see somebody. Hold on.
Oh. I'm about to do the dumbest fucking... I'm gonna do what I like to call pro game moves.
100%. I got the GoPro on. This is when we do pro gamer moves. He's shooting while he's dead.
Moving right.
All right.
Two moving right! They're in this way into the center. I don't want to help them. I'm gonna step back. Hands up! Hit! Barely. You guys kind of need to work on your aim.
That was the best aim we've seen from him all day.
I know, dude, that minigun barely got me. It's kind of good weather out, right? Hang me right fucking here.
Yeah. He's right here. Yeah.
Trying to whistle and be sneaky.
I kind of want to get back up on the log over here.
Well, then let's do it.
We can see them too, and I don't think our guns can make it.
They have rentals, so maybe.
That's what I'm saying.
I'll stay here. You move around to the log, and then when you're there, I'll move to you.
Copy.
Just so if one of us needs, you know.
Yep. I just got one.
That's our team.
No, it's blue. They're blue, bro. I don't know why. I don't know why he's walking. He's blue. 100%.
The one, the gray hoodie?
Both of them were blue, 100%.
I just saw green on one of them.
He just pulled up a blue rag. Look, he's running back. Now he's running back to down mid with the blue.
That's fucking weird. Hey, they're behind us! Hey! Oh yeah, that's a girl, by the way.
That's a girl?
Yeah.
I sound like a dude.
Maybe it was.
Hit him right in the... Hit!
I wasn't pushed up, so I wasn't sure if we had it or they had it.
Oh yeah, I've had it since we got the flag.
I like when you're like, okay, I'm gonna go escort, and I see Colton running with the flag. Like,
Because the guy that has the flag has a hit!
Get down! Get down!
Both kind of under a log.
Sorry about that. Hit! Hit!
One here, one by left.
Hit!
Clear the area! Get down! Watch yourself.
Nice shoot, man.
Are you down?
Dead. All
Yeah, we're
dead.
dead, we're dead.
All three?
The three of us are dead, yeah.
You really gonna try shooting at me while you're dead, bitch?
Where's that?
Salt motherfucker.
Not exactly sure.
I don't have anything on my back.
I don't know where it's falling there, buddy. You want to play? You want to play? All right, you want me to go first? Ooh! Let's go back. No, we got to step back. We got to go further.